private virtual digital assets or the VDA markets were trading higher as investors eye key economic data releases for clear insights into the Federal Reserve's rate hike trajectory going forward, which according to CME Fed Watch placed odds in the favor of rate hike. That's what the analysts have said. Bitcoin surpassed the crucial $30,000 mark, and investors seem to be focusing on the March readings of the Consumer Price Index. That's the most important event going forward, and the Producers Price Index scheduled to be released later this week. In the month of Feb, inflation in the US slowed to 0.4% from 0.5% a month earlier and a 6% on the yearly basis from 6.4% in the previous month. If we talk about the IC15 index of cryptocurrencies, was trading up by 5.2% at 40,430 points. Ethereum's highly anticipated Shanghai upgrade, also called as the Shanghai Shapela hard fork, is set to occur, after which users will access to more than 33 billion worth of the Ethereum staked in the blockchain since December 2020 on the Beacon chain. So if we talk about the overall maths, it's like 18 million worth of the stake Ethereum plus 1.1 million of the rewards which they have received. So roughly around 19.1 million Ethereums will be unlocked as far as the Shanghai upgrade is concerned. However, Ethereum's dominance rate remains stagnant between 19% and 20% ahead of the Shapela upgrade. In an interesting news, Bitcoin, outperforming the broader crypto market, has become more dominant. According to data tracking platform TradingView, Bitcoin's dominance rate, which measures the largest cryptocurrency share of the total market valuation, rose to 48.5% earlier on Tuesday, the highest level seen since July 2021. So, in other news, Stacks, the blockchain platform, the promises which has actually promised to bring smart contracts to Bitcoin, has outperformed the majority of the market's top 50 altcoins. Interesting news. This increase in value has many investors wondering if the Stacks is set to become the next big thing in the blockchain industry. However, STX has recovered strongly, rising 10% in just 24 hours. The global crypto market cap was around $1.24 trillion, an increase of 4.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total market volume of the entire cryptocurrency industry increased by 70% to $50 billion. Meanwhile, the regulatory concerns and probability of which is weighing in the investor's mind going forward as well. In February, the US Securities and Exchange Commission alleged that the Ethereum staking services offered by the centralized exchanges amount to selling unregistered securities in the US. Further, talking about the Ethereum space, Lido, DAO and the Rocket Pool token gained positive momentum ahead of the Shanghai upgrade. So, data by the staking reward shows that the Rocket Pool has over 4,43,900 stake Ethereum, which is worth $887 million, with the Lido holds over 11 billion worth of the Ethereum, the reports have said. Investors will also be weighing the first wave of the quarterly earnings, with banking giants such as JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo and Citigroup scheduled to report results. That's what the entire industry keeping an eye on, these results as far as the banking financial crisis. On the back of the banking financial crisis are concerned, analysts are expecting a largely sluggish quarter, particularly in the hard-hit financial services. So, if we talk about the US stock futures that have actually risen, as investors look forward, the release of the economic data later this week, Dow Jones Industrial Average has actually shown an uptick of 39 points or 1.12%. S&P added 0.11%, and Nasdaq 100 futures were marginally higher. Bitcoin was trading at $30,150, up 6.3%. As we have already mentioned, that Bitcoin has already surpassed the crucial zone of $30,000 for the first time since last June, and has set a new price high for 2023 as more and more institutional investors become involved in the crypto space. And if we talk about the retail investors and traders are anticipating insights into the Federal Reserve's fight against inflation from the United States Consumer Price Index report, which is scheduled to be released tomorrow, that is April 12th, which indicates the future price movement in the primary cryptocurrency space and is actually a dominant data wherein the traders and the other community will keep an eye on for the further cues. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was trading higher by 3.2% at $1,922. If we talk about the other altcoins on my left, is Binance BNB was up by 5.5% to trade at $330. Next on the list was Solana Sol, was higher by 10% and was trading at $22.4. Keep an eye on this news. Solana has peaked 10% and it has actually revealed the details of the release of Saga, an Android smartphone powered by the Solana blockchain on April 13th. The phone is expected to let users mint their own NFTs from anywhere, accessing the wider Solana-based ecosystem of apps and projects. The swift rise of its left, which is nearly $2.7 million in liquidation, with more than 92% of the account to short positions, according to the CoinGlass. This is an important piece of information. Keep an eye on going forward. Next on the list is Cardano's ADA token, was up by 5.3% at $0.4. Avalanche AVAX was next and was trading at $18.4, higher by 4.5%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 2.5% at $1.1. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading higher by 2.5% at $0.085. Next on the list was Shiba Inu, was trading higher by 1.7%. Ripple's XRP token was next on the list at $0.52, up by 3.6%. Keep an eye on this news. The Central Bank of Montenegro has collaborated with the blockchain solutions provider Ripple to develop a strategy and pilot program to launch the country's first digital currency in the form of the central bank digital currency, or the national stablecoin. The CBCG will work with the government of Montenegro and the Montenegro's academic to create a practical digital currency or secure currency solutions to test the main blockchain technology, functionality and potential. That's what the analysts have said. Last on the list was Polkadot, was trading higher by 4% at $6.4. That's all there is in this special Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off. But keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interesting analysis, updates from the crypto world. Thank you.
We will keep you connected to the evolving world of NFTs.
For accurate and latest updates of cryptocurrency markets and global regulations.
Metaverse and Web3.
3.0 TV covers the latest crypto crimes.
Keeps you updated about the global crypto events and exhibitions.